Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel her lesbian subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to keep something in your mind like how you can cancel it. Basically, where you have originally purchased, you can cancel your subscription on the only on the platform. Okay, so if you have purchased your subscription on, you can say like Android, then you can cancel your subscription on Play Store. And if you have purchased your subscription on iPhone, then you need to open your iPhone settings. So I want to show you something like you need to open your iPhone settings, then you need to select your Apple ID, then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app, that is like her lesbian app, and once you select your app you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so if you have taken your subscription from Google Play or Android device, you need to open your you can say like Play Store, and you need to select payment and click on the your profile icon, and now you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select this option like subscription. Now you need to select your app like her lesbian app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so these are the things. Now you can cancel your lesbian her dating app subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.